This is just a little encouragement to us as a people. You see, sometimes we think everything is okay with certain people because they look okay. But the truth is, sometimes things are not okay. The title of this piece is Check the Life, Not the Drive. I hope it blesses you. Check the life, not their drive. Everything looks good outside, but they're dying inside. We sometimes think that people are okay because physically they look okay, but we don't know the real story. That person almost committed suicide today. Are they okay? Don't worry about the new car they got today. Check how they're living, not what they're driving. Don't judge a book by the cover. Wow, look, he drives a Range Rover. It's actually a company car. If he lost his job, he'll drive a Toyota. Oh, but she drives a Mercedes Benz. She has lots of friends. But what you don't know is she's struggling because her life has taken a difficult bend. We look at the car or the smile or the confidence that they carry outside. But if you go close to them, you would see that they need help inside. What you drive is not a sign that you are enjoying life. I know a guy that could buy any car he wants, but he still committed suicide. But how? He looks confident, happy. He's a loudmouth. He looks like he's got it all figured out. Yeah, it looks like. He used that stuff to cover up fear and doubt. Things used to be great, but now everything has gone south. Look at that couple. Together, they built a great company. They wear matching clothes, but behind the scenes, there's no harmony. He plays good music, but his life is not a symphony. If you really knew what he was going through, you would actually have sympathy. We are all human beings. Rich or poor, everyone needs help when they're kicked to the floor. We are all humans. Everyone appreciates a loving knock on the door. Shy or bold, we all bleed. Whether it's hot or cold, we all feed. Whether we're young or old, love we all need. We all need someone that cares. We all need someone who's there. Someone to be on our side when life's not being fair. Underneath the success and the big name, we are all flesh and bone. If you can, if it's in your power, show someone that they're not alone. If you need to, visit them at home. If it will help, get them an ice cream cone. Go the extra mile to make someone smile. If you can't visit them, pick up your phone and dial. What I'm trying to say is, do unto others as you'd like them to do to you. Because what you've done for others, one day, you will need someone to do for you. And if nobody comes to your rescue, I pray that God looks out for you. God bless you.